Hi guys, we are going to be doing a lower back stretch today. So if you have any pain in your lower back, a lot of times it is coming from your hips being tight and your legs. So this is a follow along video. I want you guys to go ahead and start on the edge of your mat. You're going to walk your hands down to a down dog position, plant your palms, and then push your head through your shoulders as far back as you can. And go ahead, start to pedal out your feet and feel that stretch in your calves. So wherever you guys feel a stretch in your calves, just go ahead and hold it there. Take it slow, keep breathing here. And we're just going to keep doing this for a few more seconds. Now I want you to push your head all the way through your shoulders, push back a little bit farther, and you're going to come forward, step with one foot into a runner's lunge. Both your hands are on the inside of your foot, and you're going to shift forward, back slowly right here, opening up your inner hips and those thighs. So shift forward, back. And now I want you guys to just drop that back knee, hands come up onto your front knee. Take a deep breath, and as you guys exhale, I want you to just drop a little bit lower to the ground. You're going to feel your inner thighs open up here. Big breath, one more exhale. Now straighten out that front leg. I want you to pull your foot all the way back, flex that foot, and you're going to feel a big stretch in that calf here. And go ahead, bring your chin towards your knee. Take a breath in, try to relax your back and fall a little bit closer to that leg. So chin comes to the knee as close as you can. Big breath in, and we're going to go ahead and switch it over. Other leg comes forward right here. Plant that foot. The knee is above the ankle. Go ahead, lift that back leg. Hands are inside that foot. You're going to go ahead, shift forward, back. Just like that. I want you guys to breathe here. Go ahead right now, drop that back knee, hands come up onto the front knee, and I want you guys just to focus on breathing. And as you exhale, dropping that body closer to the ground, you're going to feel a really deep stretch in your inner thighs. And the reason we stretch out our inner thighs and our hips so much is because that tightness can lead to a pull in our lower back during everyday activities. Go ahead, straighten out the front foot, guys. Flex that foot all the way up, and I want you to go ahead, bring your chin towards your knee. Big breath in, exhale. Relax your back, lower as much as you can here. One more big breath in. All right, I want you guys to bring that foot back. You're going to stay right here on all fours. I want you to take a big breath in. Lift your back up, pull your shoulders all the way up. And you're going to exhale, drop, nose comes to the ceiling. Drop that back, big breath in. Inhale, pull. Again, you're going to drop, exhale here. So I want you to take your time with these. There's no rush. You want to hold those stretches wherever you feel. Make sure you're really pulling up on those shoulders here on the top. Exhale, drop. All right, I want you guys to go ahead, sit it back. This is a really great hip stretch here. I want you to go ahead and put one of your ankles over a knee, and you're going to pull your body all the way off the ground. Your chest is squared to the front, and you're going to go ahead and rotate your hip to the side of the foot that is planted. You're going to feel a very deep stretch right here in the side of those hips. So go ahead, pull your body off the ground, rotate here. If this is too deep, you can just go ahead and stay on the ground here, but I want to make sure you're feeling it right there in those hips. Just breathe, guys. Make sure your shoulders are all the way up and forward, and we'll go ahead and switch sides. The other ankle comes over that knee. Pull your body off the ground here. Keep that chest up and square, and rotate those hips over to the side. This is a really great stretch to do in the morning or at night before you go to bed, just to eliminate any stiffness in those hips. All right, now go ahead. Bring those feet forward. I want you to grab those toes, flex your feet, and you're going to alternate flexing feet forward and back. This is going to create a really deep stretch in those calves, but make sure you're not lifting those knees. Try to keep them on the ground. And as you do this, you're going to feel your lower back start to kind of shift right there. Perfect. All right, last thing I want you guys to do, bring those feet together. You're going to do like an extended butterfly here. Bring your feet out a little bit farther than you normally would. You're just going to lay back, and you're going to let your knees fall closer to the ground, and you're just going to sit here for as long as you want. I do this a lot of times before I go to bed. When I'm in bed, you're just going to sit, let your hips open up and naturally fall. As you start to feel tightness in your back from this, go ahead, just lift your back, replant it, or shift it side to side, and we'll just end right here.